We've recently integrated powerful generative AI into Lightfunnels. To begin, simply click on Start with AI. You'll then be prompted to select your preferences, including whether you want a separate checkout or cash on delivery option. You can also choose specific pages for your funnel, including an upsell and a downsell page to maximize your conversion opportunities. Once you've made your selections, the AI begins generating your funnel's pages and sections. Don't worry if you're not completely satisfied with any section. You have the flexibility to modify or replace any part of the generated content. Lightfunnels generative AI goes beyond just funnel structure. It also includes an innovative product generation feature. This powerful tool allows you to add a new product and generate its details using AI. Simply choose from your existing products to incorporate into the funnel. Or import a product from another platform by simply entering the product URL. After the initial generation, you have complete control to refine your funnel. You can easily change the layout of pages and sections to suit your preferences. Furthermore, you can customize the typography and color scheme to ensure perfect alignment with your brand identity. With these advanced AI capabilities, you can create a professional, high-converting funnel design in just a matter of minutes. Lightfunnels generative AI streamlines the entire process, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in design details. Start in Lightfunnels. Start with AI.